have to really shove that door. And with that much momentum, you would fall forward. So if I got that camera right there and you open this door, I would see you. Secondly, we've all had those doors in our houses where doorbell rings, you go get your pizza at the front door. As soon as you open up that door, your bedroom door swings open, and it's created by that vacuum. This is a vented door. Absolutely no way vacuum could build in this door. So what we did, we put a dryer sheet in here, and we can see if the air is blowing out or if it's being sucked into the room. But there's no way. Try to open the door there, Colin. Give you an idea. You really got to, oh God.
I think I opened that a little too hard.
Yeah, and immediately you can see where it drags across the floor. So don't be afraid. I mean, to close it, you're gonna have to really slam into it.
Wow.
Okay, they're gonna come back out this door now. You'll see them. I've caught twice this door opening wide open by itself. So how's that happen?